What is happening today? Trade review. What day is it? It is Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025. Now, what happened today? Bit of a slow day, other than this absolute drop that I did not catch. I did attempt to catch it. I was maybe going to catch it, but I didn't catch it. That's the main thing. So, what actually happened? Why did I take the trade? To be honest, looking back at this, what happened from what I see is market open came up, turtle soup this for our manipulation, shot down 130 points, but that doesn't really matter. Why did I take this long? Okay, what's the reason behind this long? So I'll tell you. All right, let me tell you. So if you look in the 5 minute quickly, you can see this 5 minute BISI, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. We can see that we came down, we've tapped into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I entered on the third one, so we'll just say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 5 minute candles, wicking around in there, respecting it. Okay, that's the first thing. Now, the second one's going to be on time. Second confluence is for time. So 10 a.m. open was, literally in the 5 minute too. So 10 a.m. opened up in the 5 minute, and if you know, 10 a.m. we can typically see reversals then, okay? So say if it was buying up like this the whole time, boom, 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 10 a.m. happened. Oh, reversal. We could see that, okay? So it doesn't always happen, but it happens quite a lot. So that was another confluence for me. But look, I'll tell you, the main reason I actually even took this trade was just this right here. So we obviously had been, sweep. You see, I've done the SMT there. I was looking for buys there to get above the VWAP. Again, tapping into zones. That's what I mean. Like this is the kind of day that can really get you trapped. There's tons of, because like if you look on the 1 hour as well, I mean, ES took this big gap, but NQ didn't take the gap. On ES, I actually genuinely thought we were going to go higher, but we didn't. So that my bias was bullish at the start of the day, and that can really catch you out here because you can tap into something like this, this 5 minute here. We've got this internal SMT. Now, this is why I don't just get in, okay? Like, if you just got in off the manipulation and just, like, you're getting stopped out, you're going to get stopped out over and over again, which is just not good for business, to be honest. So we want confirmation. So what confirmation did I get here? Okay. So we sweep liquidity, but we had been doing that the whole time anyway, okay? Did this really sweep much? Not really, okay? There wasn't really anything to sweep, but it did sweep something. Okay, that's the main part. But right here, we have this 1 minute inverse, this push up. If you look, this hasn't happened the entire time we've come down. 130 point drop. We haven't had one inverse to the upside, not one. So this is the first time it happened while we were dancing around that M5 zone for 15 minutes, 3 5 minute candles. We were dancing around the same zone. And then we have this 1 minute inverse, and I just got in on this push right there, literally right there, as the candle closed. I was just watching the time. I was just like, I just want to see it, continue to push, show me that it wants to go higher, because that's what I want to see. I click enter. I have my stop loss originally here, quite big, but I did have the TP higher too, to be honest. I was looking, it was like right around there. It was around these highs, which it actually did end up going to, but I'll tell you why I jumped out. So yeah, we went up. We were looking pretty good. We went up to like 28 points, and then we just dropped back down. I was like, oh, here we go again. But we came down and actually just respected that inverse on the 1 minute. So at that time, I actually added on another account. So I took this on this account. If you can't see, but I took it on this account, Bingo Bango 679. And I also took it on this account on micros. Didn't really make a lot, but this is a brand new, fresh alpha futures account as well. Gonna get that passed soon. I'm gonna do a little review. So I'm gonna start reviewing prop firms. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fun. So I've got a couple to review, but yeah. So we came down and we respected that, and then as we pushed up, I really wouldn't want to I wouldn't want to see it come down past that. So I just tightened the stop right to there. Wouldn't want to see us come back down past that before we go up. It just it's very unlikely. Okay. And then original TP was up here, but I'll tell you why I got out here, right? So we came up, wicking. Now I got out here, but it's because we're tapping this VWAP, okay? But it's not just the VWAP. We're tapping the VWAP, but if you look to the right, you'll see we're at 23K, around the exact like 23K. So that's a psychological level, a pretty big one too, because we've just recently hit 23K. So after seeing that and the VWAP's exactly there too, and we're just reacting off it. Also look at this top tick. Look at the top tick. Look at that. That, like, come on. Look at that. You couldn't have got more of a top tick on this candle. Okay. Anyway, that doesn't matter. The point is that's why I got out. Psychological level, pretty important one too. I don't really do psychological levels, by the way. That's not something I trade off really, but it is in there. It is in my mind for things like this. Okay. Because there's a big chance this could have done this, right? Tapped off the VWAP, psychological level, shot down, took out all of this, because this low was right here. Like, this was a London low, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. London low, like, it could just come down, take that, and then go higher. You know, there's not that much reason for it to go higher here. I'm not going to lie. It's not a super confirmed trade. It's not an A+ trade for me. It's more of an A. To be honest, it's not an A+ at all. There's not a turtle soup SMT at a proper level to go higher. So that's why I took it out there. It was, dance around the 5 minute. We get an inverse to the upside. There's a couple reasons for the trade, but it's nothing crazy. It's not like, yes, this is perfect trade. It's like, yeah, this is a good trade. This is an all right trade. So that's why I took it off here. When it topped into that, I was like, you know what? It's not been a great day for PA, so I'm just going to take it. Take your money. Take the money. You know what I mean? So that is it for me today. It's not a lot else to say about it. I don't know what else we've been doing. I'm just literally off another sales call. It's been a busy few nights lately. Doing all this stuff, but yeah, we've just literally danced around this kind of zone, haven't we? So yeah, it's not a great day. This is why I just like sometimes just take the 30 points. I mean, 30 points is something that I'm big on. Like, I'm massive on the 30 points. I'm just gonna drop that sauce for you right now. Go and back test and just do 30 points. Go back test NQ, back test it between 9:45 a.m. EST and 10:15 a.m. EST. Go back test it. Enter off a manipulation and a confirmation. Aim for 30 points max. Go back test it, come back to me. Wait till you see. Wait till you see your win rate. It's going to be insane. My win rate right now is sitting at like, since February, when I started actually, that's when I moved the futures. I moved the futures in February, started actually tracking everything properly. My win rate is at 77% right now, which is really high. But it's because I take a lot of profits at 30 points. I used to do this. I used to put it like all the way up here, 100 points. Yeah, let me get all the points. Risk to reward. Yeah, I risk 100 to make 700. That's great. Like, that's the way I used to be. And then I changed my ways. I was like, you know what? Why do that? Because you lose a lot. My win rate used to be like 35%. Do you know how low that is? It's so low. And it sucks because you're losing all the time and you're like, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. But now, I lose like twice in a month. Like twice. The worst month I had was May. And I still think I won like 50 or 60% of the time. You know, but that was a really rough month, I'm not going to lie. But it was rough for everyone too, you know. It was just the way it was moving. It was different. But that was the month of adaptation as well. So I adapted in June, picked it back up, and now in July it's just firing on all cylinders right now. It's been great. So yeah, a little bit of sauce there. Go do that back test. 9:45 to 10:15, manipulation, confirmation, 30 points max. Just for now, just do 30 points. Come back to me. Wait and see. Like, go check it. Okay? Then you can look to do 50 points. Look, it still hit 50 points. It still hit 50 points. Okay? 50 points is doable. And 50 points is the good day, you know? Good day at 50 points. But 30 points just pays so well. So yeah, look, that's all from me today. I'm literally sitting here yapping at the end of this. It's 1:30 in the morning right now, and I'm yapping. So I'm gonna go now. Have a great night, boys, or day, or whatever the